I'm back again. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Roar. What must I do? I have a plan. Today we eat. Guys, we are back. And in this video, you will learn how to make a cheeseburger. A cheeseburger. Yes. Well, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prep my onions because I have to have it ready, you know? So I like to cut my onions from side to side, just like this. See the side? No more side. See this side? She knew not to be from that side. She said, let me get up out of here. So yes, guys, as you can see, I cut the onion from side to side. Now I remove the little papers. What paper? Yeah, the paper. I call the paper that covers the onion. This paper. Yeah, paper. Paper's coming off. How onion has paper? I don't know. You tell me. We remove the paper. You see the paper? Here, guys, you want to go for an exam, right? Somebody, right? Go right to somebody. Here's paper. So here we have the onions ready. So now let's get into this. Let's get into the mixtures. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pow. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it's ready, guys. The defrosting took forever. Shut up!
What happened to my green rag?
Nothing, Zoe got it and tore it up. The little rag that you didn't like that much. That little rag is gone forever.
No! No!
It's still a little bit hard though, guys. No, it's good. Just gotta squash it. When it's like that, it's not ready to be defrosted. It's good for you to look with your fingers. Look, squash it. That's another little trick for you guys. A hack. It's called a hack. So it's good. First thing you wanna do though, when you're making this into a burger, right? You don't wanna just, you gotta do this, look. That's the proper way of doing it, guys. So it could stay that way. When you flatten it out, it doesn't break into pieces. You understand? So when you flatten it out, it doesn't break into pieces. I heard you too. You round it up like a little ball. You know a ball? You know what a ball is? A ball. Bing, bing, bum, 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 ball this. Oh, I'm not gonna do with that. Cause that one's done already. But yes, sir. Squash it. Squash it nice and flat. Nice and flat. Squash it nice and flat. There you go, guys. There you go, my friend. There you go, my friend. There you go, my friend. So I'm gonna make 2 cheeseburgers right now so you guys can get the point, learn how to make this happen. Next up, guys, it's medium high heat. There you go, guys. Now, I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. I can't take this anymore. Mr. Salt Guy's got nothing on me. Look at the perfect droppy of the salty. Look at the perfect salty of the droppy. Yeah. This is the right way, guys. You gotta learn, guys. You gotta learn. I can't keep giving you this information, guys, for when you're hungry. For when you're hungry, I can't keep doing this. This is consuming me. I can't take this anymore. And now a little bit of pepper. Yes, sir. Copy it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One more thing to do, guys. I gotta get it ready. I gotta get it ready before this get hot. It's my little sauce ingredient. It ain't nothing too crazy. It ain't like Dr. Einstein found out how to make that. It's easy. It's ketchup and mayonnaise. Mix it together, becomes pinkish. Bad. Ketchup. Haha. Jesus, easy. Jesus, bless it. No, I said ketchup, not Jesus.
He done lost his mind.
And then a little ketchup there. A little mix, that little first thing come out in like that water. It's just water and it's like reddish water. No, I don't want that. Yeah, I want pure ketchup coming out. There you go. So yeah, guys. We are back with another cooking expedition for you guys. Making cheeseburger the right way. As you can see, I'm doing it step by step with you guys. You guys are here with me and we're doing this together. So now, give it a good little mix to get that little pink sauce that I want for my bread. I'm not using regular buns. I'm using other type of bread that I wanted to use because I like it on this bread better.
There you go, cleaning again.
Yes, I'm cleaning again. Yes, I'm cleaning again. Leave me alone. I told you, Green Rag got hurt by Zoe. Zoe ripped her apart. Took her from me.
No!
But now guess what, guys? Yellow Friend is here to save the day. But we're fine. We're gonna get the green one back. We're gonna get it back now. That green one, I miss it so much. I miss that green rag so much. It cleans so beautifully my kitchen. The yellow one's trying. He's trying. So, okay, we're back. Guys, now, the party begins. It's time for the snap, crackle, pops. The pop. Okay, guys, get ready. So, first things first, I'm gonna turn on this fan. Okay, you see? And I'm gonna place my burgers in the first burger coming. Let's get the first guy. Second burger coming through. Now I'm gonna drop the onions right on top, guys. This is delicious, guys, trust me. This is super delicious. I like to make it pretty, guys. Look at this. I take my time, one by one. You see, oh, don't drop it, baby. Help me. Don't do this, guys, without having the proper experience. You could have got your finger burned off. So yeah, proper way to make a cheeseburger. This is the proper way, though. I am giving you. I might joke. I do everything that I do, but everything here is official. Never squeeze the cheeseburger. Why? Never squeeze it down. Why? Because you release the natural juices, gases. Oh my! So you leave it there. You leave it there for 3-4 minutes, one side, then time to flip over. So I'm gonna put this directly for you guys right here. I'm gonna put this directly right here for you guys. You know what? Oh, you put it right here. Hold up. Let me see something. I want to see if you guys can see it. Never squeeze it down. Well, guess what, guy? How many minutes it's been? It's been about 3 minutes, right? 4 minutes? 3-4 minutes? Give it another little minute. Give it another little minute. See how it's looking? You see how it's looking? Gonna let it sit there 3-4 minutes like I see. Then we gonna toss it over, guys. Gonna toss it over. Yes, sir. Boom. Quick action. Ow! Perfect catch. Perfect. This is the only time that I recommend you guys to squeeze a little bit for the onion so it can get deep with the onion. Get the next one. Get the next one, guys. Nice. Quick snap of the wrist. Quick snap of the wrist. Hagata. Good job, guys. It's the only time I recommend you squeeze a little bit so on the onion tip. And let it sit right there. Right there. Not squeeze it too hard, gently. There you go. Now we're gonna let it sit another 3-4 minutes again. Get this a little mixture. I get so happy when this food is almost done. I get so happy when this food's almost done. Ta-da! Pobres breskis, yeah. Give it a good bread right there. Yeah, down the middle. Down the middle, guys. Down the middle, guys. Yeah. Give it another little So now, everything optional now. You could add tomatoes. You could do all that. But guess what? I'm not doing that today. I'm not adding tomato. I'm just doing it with onions. Like that, how it is, raw. But it is a treat with tomato too, you know? It is a super treat. So what I do, I'm gonna crack it good right here. Because then I'm gonna put the bun on top. While it's cooking. And And last but not least, guys, you know what you're missing. What are you missing, guys? What is it called? It's called cheeseburger, not hamburger. Cheeseburger. So it means it needs cheese. Ha ha ha. Look at these slices of cheese. Look at this. How cool. How beautiful, guys. We'll drop 2 on each. Put it back away.
But why is that leftover onions?
Because I'm gonna make more cheeseburgers when I'm done. The crispy. Ooh, the onions are nice, man. These onions are nice, man. Give it a little pinch. I like to see how it is inside. It's already done. Yeah. Nice, huh? So now what we do now, guys, what's the other step, guys? My bad, I said last step before that. But yes, there's another one. Nice, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. I put the second bread on top to let it heat up a little bit too. As you can see, what a work of art this is, man. What a work of art. So you see, guys, how I make it. You see this. And you learned something today. I hope you did. I hope you learned how to make cheeseburgers. I'm gonna show you the finished product now. Guys, I need you to see how pretty this looks. This is not a fluke, guys. This is real cooking. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Look at this. Amazing. Taste this, guys! Taste test.